Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you Snapchat account is hacked, how to fix in 2 minutes. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If you suspect your Snapchat account has been hacked, follow these steps to secure your account. Number 1 is change your password immediately. Change your Snapchat password to strong, a unique one, and fix your problem. Simply open the Snapchat app, tap on profile icon, tap on settings. You can see appears on screen many options. Tap on password, enter your old password and enter new password, unique password, and fix this problem. Number 2 is make sure review activity enable two-factor authentication. Go to the Snapchat app, tap on profile icon, tap on the settings app, little bit scroll up, two-factor authentication, continue, enter your text or verification code and fix your problem. Number 3 is check your account activity such as the account activity section to identify any suspicious behavior. Number 4 is update your recovery email and phone number. Ensure your recovery email and phone number are up to date and secure. Tap on the Snapchat app, tap on profile icon, tap on Snapchat settings, little bit scroll up, tap on email, change your email, tap on phone number and change your phone number and fix your problem. Number 5 is make sure your device is using a secure iOS version. If you are using beta version, simply update or downgrade your device with the official version and fix your problem. Number 6 is log out all devices from Snapchat. Tap on settings, again account section, little bit scroll up, log out from all devices and fix these issues. If all problems are not working, if all solutions are not working, simply monitoring your account activity regularly, avoiding suspicious activity, links or downloads, using a secure and unique password, enabling login alerts, and if none of these steps work, contact Snapchat Sports. Reach out to Snapchat Support team to report the hack and request assistance to fix this problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Snapchat account is hacked, how to fix in minutes. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.